Once you try this salad recipe, you will definitely fall in love with it. It's absolutely delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. I started by cutting the cucumber. You guys will see the ingredients as we go. I peeled the skin of the cucumber, but you can leave yours. But personally, I like to peel the skin of the cucumber, and I'm cutting it into slices. Feel free to cut it into any shape of your choice. Followed by the tomato. I'm going to take the inside and then cut it into cubes. Followed by the red bell pepper. I'm cutting it into cubes as well. You can add yellow bell pepper as well and the green one, but this is what I have on this particular day. You can subtract and then you can add to it. All right. Followed by the onion as well. I'm making use of just a little bit of onion, and I'll go ahead and shred the carrot and set all the ingredients aside. To put the salad together, you need a big bowl. I just added the bell pepper, the cucumber, the carrots, tomato, and I'm making use of peas as well. I just added the peas as well, added the onion, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of chicken that I have left over. That is optional. You don't have to make use of chicken, all right? Once I add the chicken, I go ahead and set it aside. To make our salad dressing in a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add some mayonnaise. I just add a good reasonable of mayonnaise, and I added some dry basil leaf to it as well. I will leave the full ingredients in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I added some honey as well, and I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil as well, and a little bit of chili pepper. You guys know that I love chili pepper in my salad, and you guys, this tastes absolutely delicious. I also add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, and I go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. And you guys, this dressing is a hit. Go and give it a try and come back here to leave me a comment. If you don't like mayo in your salad, I'm going to leave a link to another salad recipe that you can check it out. It's absolutely delicious as well, trust me. I transfer the salad dressing into the salad, and I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. You guys see that creaminess. You guys, oh my god. I feel like grabbing this from the screen. It tastes absolutely delicious. Once you mix it together, you can go ahead and put it in the fridge to chill a little bit, or you can go ahead and serve it straight away and enjoy. It tasted absolutely amazing. I know I've said it times without number. This part is optional, okay? You don't have to transfer it into another bowl. You can just leave it in that big bowl, okay? But I'm just doing this for video purpose, all right? You guys understand, so I can have a good thumbnail. That is that, all right? And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.